Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the episode of the sailing. Hey, what? Hey, there's a tennis ball. There's a tennis ball. Let's try and catch it. Catch it. There it goes. It's going away. Bye-bye, tennis ball. Bye-bye. It's sat in the currents, in the waves. Okay, back to what I was saying. This is the, the sailing away of the baby bath. Farewell and God save thee. One way! The river's going that way!
Go! Go!
Okay then, let's try it from somewhere else. Come back. Come on, go, come on. The tree's stopping it,
Fuck you, tree! No, that's a pole!
No, the branch is stopping it. Can I have your walking stick, please? Thank
Do
you.
not lose that!
Nick.
Back now, it's boring.
Hang on, Nick.
I want to move it. Hey! I was nearly there. Let's see how deep is it. Good.
Clean that one,
Clean what? Go! Go that way! Other way! That's it, come on! That's the way, come on! You can do it! You're not going to do it, are you? Oh boy. And that was a failed attempt of the swimming away baby boat. Signing off for now.